Hi. In this video, we are going to create an automated test that creates a time and materials project in Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management. We will use the Executive Automats test automation software to create the test. We will then update some of the recorded steps so the test script can be executed any number of times to validate that a project can be created without errors. Let us first create a new test script and give the script a name. We can then start recording the test steps in the application. On the left-hand side, you can see the advanced recorder that will log each step of the test. We can start the recording by selecting the Record button. We will navigate to the Project Management and Accounting module, and you can see that the path is recorded as a step. Now we can create a new project. The first thing we want to do is capture the project number and save this as a variable. This will enable you to use the variable if we wanted to extend the script or use it in another script that is linked to this one. The project can have any name, but we want the project name to be unique, so we don't have all the projects with the same name. When we finish recording the script, we can edit this step and use a sequence to generate unique data. You can see on the left-hand side the advanced recorder logs each step that is recorded. Executive Automats is highly accurate in recording these steps and is specifically designed for Dynamics 365 application testing. Now our project has been created, we need to complete some fields. The project's start and end dates need to be completed. I will enter some sample dates here, and when the recording has finished, I will update these dates. Executive Automats has a great feature that allows dates to be defaulted to today, and even move the dates in the past or in the future. Now we have entered the dates we need to add resources to the project, and also add the project categories. As you can see, it is very easy to record a process such as creating a project. Executive Automats makes it as easy as possible with no coding necessary. Now I will assign all the project categories to the project. Next, we will create our work breakdown structure. I'll only add one task to keep this as short as possible. We could create another script to add a more detailed work breakdown structure and save it as a template. Then in this script, we could just import the template. I will check the cost estimates are correct. Next, we will create a forecast. I will transfer the details from the WBS to create the forecast and then check the forecast has been created. Now we are ready to put the project live and update the project status to In Progress. We have finished recording the script. We can stop recording and close the window. This will take us back to the recorded script so we can make some updates. First, we need to change the step that enters the project name. We want the project name to be unique each time the script is executed. The sequence feature allows us to generate a unique sequence that is incremented by 1 each time the script is executed. I will also use a sequence for the project contract name. Next, we will update the project start and end date steps. I will use a built-in code template for the start date that will always enter today's date each time the script is executed. For the project end date, I can use another code template that enables me to output a date in the future. I will enter 365 so the project end date is 1 year in the future. Let me check if we need to update any more steps. I think that is all that needs to be updated. Now we can execute the script to check if it works correctly. I will execute the script in the foreground so you can see the script play back. I will speed up the video a little to save some time. Here you can see the project name and project contract name being entered as a sequence, so they are always unique. On the left-hand side, you can see the advanced recorder is in player mode and update each step as it is executed. A green check mark is added if the step is successful, or a red cross if the step fails. The script has now added the start and end dates. Notice that the start date is today, and the end date is 365 days in the future, so using the code templates is successful. Executive Automats allows you to manage all your scripts easily. You can create projects and subprojects to store all your scripts. For example, you can create a subproject called Accounts Payable for all your accounts payable scripts, and execute all those scripts directly from the subproject. With the powerful scheduling feature in Executive Automats, you can build schedules to execute your scripts at a set time. Great for scheduling regression testing. You are not limited to executing the scripts in the foreground. Executive Automats can execute scripts in the background so you can get on with other tasks. When executing in the background, you can generate documentation that provides all the steps, with screenshots. We can also generate a video of the script playback. Great for training. Our script is now finished, and all the steps have passed. We can check the results in the History tab, which gives you the status of each step executed. Executive Automats has other reporting features, and can even be integrated with Microsoft Power BI. As our script was successfully executed, we can update the script status to published. When a script is published, it cannot be edited. Now our script has been created and checked. We can run the script any number of times to check a time and materials project can be created successfully. I hope you found this video interesting. If you would like to find out more about how Executive Automats can help you with your Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management Implementation project, please get in touch. We can provide you with a more in-depth demo to show you more of the great benefits of using test automation to save you time, money, and resources. We can also offer a free trial if you would like to try out Executive Automats for yourself. Thanks for listening.